Up, welcome back to another video, another method. Hey, before I get into this really quick, guys, this is going to be a great video. It might be the best video I've ever made, to be honest. I really like this method. But hey, I really like making the videos of like mindset and like motivation and like strategies just for overall bettering your life, your mindset, your money, your everything. So I want to know what you guys really like. What direction do you want me to take this channel in? Do you want me to go more towards like mindset, motivation, and like kind of helping you through things, or do you like straight tactics and like methods? Because right now I'm kind of doing a little bit of both, but I really want to know what you think, so drop it in the comments and I would really appreciate it. But let's get right into it, guys. So as you see in this title, this video is going to be about drop servicing. Maybe you heard of it, maybe you haven't, I don't know, but I'm telling you right now, this is the method of methods that no one's talking about, but everyone should be talking about it. Now, I know you've heard about Amazon, drop shipping, right? That's everywhere. I'm going to tell you why that's a terrible idea. The reason is because when you're drop shipping, your competition is insane, right? You're competing with every other drop shipper that there is. Not only that, but that means that your margins are lower, because when everyone's competing, everyone's going to say also for a little bit cheaper, also for a little bit cheaper, a little cheaper, until someone's making like a penny. Okay, so when you consider that you have to spend a lot on ads and then you're selling a product for the cheapest you can possibly do it, because you're competing with thousands of people selling the same exact thing. I mean, if you're all selling a bookshelf, if, you're buying it from the same place in China, you're all selling it for as cheap as you can possibly do it. That limits how much you can spend on ads. You can't really separate yourself. You can't say my bookshelf's better, I'm going to sell it for more, because you're all selling the exact same thing. So there's no way to really separate yourself. You're competing with too many people. The margins are terrible, and that's why dropshipping is a horrible business. Do people make money with it? Yes. I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm saying for people who aren't expert marketers and experts in e-commerce, your odds of making money are very little. I'll get into what drop servicing is in a second. The second reason why this business is amazing: no knowledge needed at all. Well, you need a little bit of knowledge in terms of like basics, maybe running some Google ads or Facebook ads, but you can learn that in one YouTube video. I'm talking about no real business knowledge, no real skills in terms of what we're actually going to be selling. Okay, like you don't need to, like if you're selling a service, you don't need to know how to do that service, and I'm going to show you what I mean. Third reason, it's scalable. Okay, if you're actually doing the work, you cannot scale. Scale means, how big can I blow this up, right? If you're cutting grass by yourself and you're selling grass cutting services, you can only sell as many people's your services to as many people's grass as you can cut. Okay, with a business like this, I don't care if you have one customer or you have 1 million, it's going to be equally as you're going to be able to do it. Okay. Fourth and final reason, or at least fourth reason I could think of, no employees needed. You can do this by yourself at any size, pretty much. I mean, maybe once you go to a certain point, you'd want to hire like a VA or something to help with some fulfillment of orders, but really you could do this alone. So let's get into it, guys. What is drop servicing? Super pumped for this video. Okay. I'm going to take you over to Fiverr real quick. No, this is not selling on Fiverr. I don't want you to get the wrong idea, like, oh, another Fiverr video. No, it's not that. So, guys, what is this? If you take a look on Fiverr, right, there's a million services that you can buy, okay? If you go to graphics and designs, people that'll say, I'll build you a logo, okay? I'll design your game. I'll draw a tattoo design for you, okay? Sorry, this is like, okay. Digital marketing. I'll do your SEO for your website. You need help with sending emails? I'll do it. Okay, you need me to write a blog post? I'll do it. You want me to help you edit your videos? Someone's like, I'll do it for like $5, $10, okay? You get the idea. There's someone that will do literally everything on this website, okay? Now, why is this important? This is why we don't need to know how to do any of these things, because we are going to be hiring these people to do it for us. And just like in drop shipping, where all you are is the middleman, you didn't build the product that you're selling in drop shipping. You're just buying it from one place for cheaper and selling it to someone else for more. And if you think this is a weird, scammy business model, that's what every business does everywhere. What do you think Nike does when you go buy $100 shoes? They bought it from some place that made it in China for $5 and they're selling it to you for $100. They are making money as the middleman. The middlemen always make money. That's business, okay? You want to be the middleman. You don't want to be the person making the shoes for $2. You want to be the person that buys it for $2 and sells it for $100. Why can Nike do that? Because they're smart with how they market and advertise to make you want to buy something for $100 that's really only worth $2, okay? That's what we're going to do with drop servicing. So now we'll come back to this in a second, why we can pick any one of these things and really make an entire business around it, and then eventually more and more and more in different areas, different niches, okay? The riches are in the niches, remember that. So one of the ways you could go about this is building a page on Kartra, and we'll circle back to this in a second. I mean, this is kind of pricey. I went straight to Wix, and I'll show you what I did. So, because I wanted to give you guys an option that's sort of a cheaper way to do it, and I'll show you the quality you can do. Wix has a bad reputation for being a cheap site. It's really not, guys. But what I did is I just went simple, okay, just to build an something for you to show you as an example. I just went straight book cover design or whatever. Okay, like if I go book cover design, okay, it's going to pull me up a bunch of people saying I'll design it for 25 bucks, 35 bucks. And if I even want to, I could set my max budget at 5 bucks and watch how many people will design a book cover for 5 bucks, all right? 5 bucks, 5 bucks, 5 bucks. And these look really nice. Like some of these are like legit book covers that you would expect to see in a bookstore, right? Like they do good work, these people. But they're starving, they're hungry. These people don't have as many they haven't built up the business to be able to think that they could charge more. They're just trying to get sales going, okay? But they're still talented graphic designers. Also, they're facing massive competition on Fiverr, so they have to charge cheaper and to be able to compete, because if they charge more, some other people are going to keep buying these $5 ones, so it's hard for them. All right, but anyways, guys, I'm going to show you what I built. I'm going to show you this Wix site right here that I built. Now, this is where you need to be. Okay, I'm not talking about building a complex website with 100 pages, a blog, a full shopping cart with like a checkout. You don't need any of that crazy stuff, okay? What you need is a simple one-page design. Now you're thinking, well, you got these tabs up here. What are these? I'll show you in a second, but every single one of these goes to a place on this page. You can do that simply in Wix by setting what's called an anchor point. You can YouTube it. It's so easy to do. And then that takes you to a certain point on the page whenever that button is clicked, okay? So I made a simple page. I branded it as the book cover store, okay? I built this little logo, super simple. Like I added a dotted line under this, just made this yellow and this black, and it looks pretty clean, right? It looks pretty nice. Okay, we are the best book design company in the world, period. Get professionally designed book covers, money back guarantee, unlimited revisions. Why can I have confidence in that? Well, if I'm refunding someone their money, how much am I going to lose? Well, if I charge them whatever I charge them, but I bought it for $5, I'm really only going to lose $5, okay? I'm willing to give that back if that comes to that, which it never will, because they have unlimited revisions, which means that they can keep changing it until they like it. Why can I offer that? Because the people on Fiverr offer that. When you click into these, they'll say, I'll do unlimited revisions in their description. You'll see that when you click on there, okay? And this is specific to book covers. It might be different for what you pick, but you get the point, okay? I have a little picture here, okay? I took this from the Fiverr page, and then of a person that I was going to use, okay? Put it right there, get started. Okay, what is there? A little bit about what we do. Great prices, great teams dedicated to solely creating unique and professional book covers, blah, blah, blah. Professional, affordable, perfection. All of our designs, 100% money back guarantee, unlimited revisions with all packages. Any genre, any style, right? Okay, some more little things here about what book covers could look like, how it works. Simple, place your order, give us the details, first draft, final design delivered. All right, what our customers say, some testimonials. Then I have a little standard pricing table, okay? Basic $69, standard $199, Pro $599. Now this is an astronomical price that I don't expect anybody to ever purchase. If they do, that's just a win for me, okay? But the reason why I have this here, this is marketing, right? Or sales. You have this here so that these seem cheap, okay? And then if someone buys that, it's a bonus, right? Some people just are going to buy this because there's people that have money that say, I want only the best, and they just purchase the most expensive things. That's the way it goes. That's why people buy Rolls Royces and Bentleys. They don't care if it's that much better. They're just like, I want the best, okay? But if someone's here saying, oh my God, 600, that's a lot, but all right, I guess I could afford 69. It's basically all the same thing. This one's just a front page only, but this one has back and spine, all right? And then this one is just comes with the source files or whatever. Okay, so it's really nothing. Checkout deletes them right to the PayPal where they pay this much. Little risk-free money back guarantee thing. Okay, contact us with an email. Okay, now by the way, reserved. I don't have this live right now because I didn't want to pay to go keep it live after I tested it a little bit, but I do still have the website here. I will sell this to somebody. If someone wants me to make them if someone wants to make me an offer, it doesn't even have to be a lot. I will sell this to someone. I can easily transfer this in Wix. If you have a Wix account, a free Wix account with a Wix email, I will transfer this website to you. And all I have to do is put your email in, it'll transfer it over to you. We can work out something. Leave me a thing in the description below. I answer all, or in the comments, I answer all comments. So let me know if you want this website. If you're interested, I will give you this plus the website, thebookcoverstore.com, which I think is a great site and great name that I built on Wix. Now, what I was saying about the one page up here, okay? Every single one of these leads to another point on this page, okay? Home brings you to the top. Why us? Why choose the book cover store? Okay, what's our work look like? Here it is. Okay, what about the pricing? Brings them down to the pricing table. Okay, contact form just brings them down to where they can email me if they need help. All right, I have a disclaimer, privacy policy, terms and conditions. You need those things pretty much if you want to advertise. A lot of things like Google and Facebook require those, but they're just pretty much there just for that. And then all these things. Okay, so get started brings them to buy. Okay. What's this? I'm already ready. Get started brings them to where to buy. Same thing here. Get started brings them to where to buy. All roads lead to purchase. You understand? Special offer. This is a pop-up here. Get 10% off. Order in the next 24 hours and 10% discount will be automatically applied at checkout. Now what I did is I just made all the prices 10% cheaper automatically, so I never have to do anything because I still really don't care. If someone gets a $199 package and it's 10% off and they pay me $180, I'm still going to go pay $5 on Fiverr and I'm still going to make $175 on a book cover, guys. Okay? Now, if you're spending some ads and say you run some Google ads for people who are searching, I need a book cover. There's people that don't know about Fiverr, guys. Do you realize that? I mean, Fiverr is a massive site, and I could go on a street right now, interview 20 people and say, have you ever heard of Fiverr? 19 out of 20 of them are going to say no. People don't realize the things that you know. You might be online a lot more. You might be in marketing more, okay? You have to think bigger and be able to go on Google and say, I want people searching for, I want a book cover made, right? Because imagine if they're like an author, they might not be that tech savvy, right? They're a great writer. They're more creative or whatever. So they will just come on your website and they think, well, I guess that's reasonable. I'll pay $69 for a book cover. They don't know they can get one made for $5. Or if they do, if they already know about Fiverr, guys, they think this is low quality trash. But then you come to a website like this and you're like, I would rather do business with these people because this is a real service. This is a real company. All these people do is make quality book covers. This isn't some low level guy on Fiverr who's making them in his mom's basement. Okay, so but really that's what they're getting. But they don't know, guys. Value is perceived. That's what you need to understand, and that's why drop servicing is the best business, because even though there's other companies selling book covers, you can separate yourself as a premium service. That means you don't have to compete with them as closely as if you were drop shipping and everyone's selling the same item, okay? If everybody's selling the same exact kids globe, you all have the price pretty much the same. You can't just say mine is $100 when everyone else is $20. They're going to be like, it's the same thing. Why would I pay more? But this, when it comes to services, people do pay more, right? If you have a cleaning service and I have a cleaning service, I can say I'm a premium cleaning service. I charge $200 an hour, and then you come in there and you're just not. You guys don't have the uniforms. You don't have the cleaning supplies. Like, you're just kind of sloppy. You don't do it properly. You can't charge as much, even though we're both cleaning the same thing. We're doing the same service. Okay, so you can separate yourself. You really can. Now, I want to bring you back to Fiverr, guys, because, You know, that was just an example for the book covers, but you can do anything, guys. Things, you use your imagination. Things that you can't even do or think about yourself. Website design? What? I don't know how to make a website. Okay? Look at all these people. I will create a drop shipping store, right? You can build a business around that. I will create a WordPress business website. Real estate landing page. You could target real estate agents, guys. It does not matter. You can do anything you can even imagine. And then you can scale. Because now you have this business that you don't have to spend time doing the thing, okay? If you were actually building the websites, how many services could you sell? You could sell one and then you'd be busy for a week building that website. You couldn't sell another one, right? But in this model, drop servicing, you could sell 5 in a day. And what is your time used? 20 minutes. You get the order, you place the order. You get the order, you place the order. You get the order, you place the order. And then what? When you tell them in an email, right? Your order's been placed. I'm working on it. It'll be with you. I'll be ready in a week or whatever. Whatever these people say, how long it takes. You tell them that's how long it takes. And you just wait. And you don't have to do anything besides just go hunt for more deals. And then when it's ready, they'll give you the website. You give it to them. You're middlemaning, like I told you again. You're a Nike. You know what I'm saying? Making billions of dollars selling $2 shoes, okay? That's business, guys. You want to be the middleman. Never forget that. Now, remember, guys, if you want to buy this website, leave me a comment in the comments below saying, yes, I'll purchase this website. Let's work something out, okay? Make me an offer. I spent a lot of time on this. I think it's really clean. It's really nice. Now, you can easily go build your own in Wix. This isn't hard. I don't recommend you go with Kartra, although these are a lot easier to use, but they are more expensive. I mean, the pricing on these guys is not cheap, $99 a month for the cheapest package. But if you have some money to spend, by all means, go this route. I don't even have an affiliate link or anything for this, guys. I'm not making money, although I could. They do have a program where if I send you to Kartra, I would make money. I'm not doing that. I'm just saying you can use them. But same thing with Wix. I don't have an affiliate program with them. They have one as well, but I'm not using it. I should be. I'm stupid. But go to Wix. You can build a website like this, guys. It might take you some time. Spend like, you know, an hour here or there, and in a couple days you'll have this whole website built, all right? You can probably bang it out in one day if you want to. It's really, really not hard. Use another site as a model. Go to Google, search what you're trying to do, put like book covers for sale, look at a few websites and be like, this site looks really nice. And then you just keep going back and forth. Like, I'm going to make it look like that. Okay. That's what I did. I didn't just build this out of my brain. I modeled. Okay. So if someone wants this website, leave me a comment. I will literally give you this exact one, and I will transfer this to your GoDaddy account as well, so you can have the exact email, which is a clean title, thebookcoverstore.com. You'll have the clean website with branded book cover store, 100% yours. Leave me a comment. Let me know. I will transfer this to somebody. Guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please give me a comment. Give me give me your feedback. I want to know what you think. I honestly think drop servicing is the greatest business no one's talking about. You can make some serious money in this, guys, running some simple ads or even doing some social media. You could build a whole Instagram around your book covers. And you can take all the pictures, like I said, from Fiverr accounts and just post them on your Instagram. Be like, this is the work we do. Okay, you don't even need to have paid ads. And then your book covers are going to be all over Instagram or whatever, guys. Just be creative with it. All you have to do is send some traffic to this in any way, be it paid or unpaid. You know, you can write a blog post. You can do anything. And then people will, you can go on Quora and answer questions. Yeah, I do book covers, like, you know, whatever. So, guys, let me know what you think. Like this, subscribe. Also, let me know if you want me to do more business tactics or you want me to do more kind of mindset things. I love those videos. I love helping you guys. I appreciate it, guys. Like, share, subscribe. I will see you on the next video.